Let's talk a little bit about the Lightning Network because I know your company has an exciting announcement about that. I really like the slide that Michael Rihani from Cash App had up where he explained the Lightning Network in a simple way, right? Before it was the internet, it was the base layer. The layer on top was email, and it allowed us to transfer information easily in this open source protocol. And now we have Bitcoin as the base layer and Lightning as that secondary layer to allow for secure and fast transactions. So for people that maybe are not as familiar, what is the Lightning Network to you? And what is MicroStrategy's Lightning strategy?
I think that the Network represents an open, permissionless protocol for secure transactions worldwide. So if you want to integrate the payment networks of 100,000 different companies in every country on earth, and you want to allow them all to interoperate and move money at the speed of light and program the money and build intelligence in the transactions and in authentications, then you need some protocol that they all share. And of course, Lightning is that protocol. Right now, the way that money moves is on a credit network run by banks. So if I wanted to take $100 and I wanted to send it to you, I would probably pay a 2 to 3% fee, and it would take 45 days to settle. So if that $100 moves 40 times, it'll take about 5 to 6 years, and the banks will have all the money and you'll have none of the money. So the money disappears and it takes 6 years to move. And the Lightning Network is a protocol that allows the money to move 40 times in about a minute, and you get to keep the money. So what it represents is a technology breakthrough, but it's not just a technology to move the money 1,000,000 times faster and 1,000,000 times cheaper, but it also is an open, permissionless protocol. And that means a bunch of entrepreneurs in South Africa can create an application on the weekend that works with an application running in Nigeria, that works with a bank running in Tokyo, that works with another retailer in Istanbul, and that'll work with someone in New York, and that'll work with 100 Silicon Valley startups. And they all can figure out how to integrate that protocol into their mobile app, into their website, into their product, into their service. And I think the point Rahani made is, which is very compelling, is without SMTP, there's no way for all the email systems to interoperate. And yet today, everybody can create an email integration into their application. And that's why billions and billions of people can talk to each other. Lightning represents the protocol that allows billions and billions of people to transact with each other. And clearly, it's got to be instant final settlement. It's got to be programmable, but it can't be proprietary. What we learned is that, the proprietary protocols of Digital or IBM or Microsoft, they didn't succeed. It was the open protocols that were available to everyone in the world. And the reason why is because they're ethical. Nobody owns them. No one's cashing in on them. And because they're permissionless, they're open to everybody. And that means that people will trust them. And trust is critical when you need to get 100 million companies to work with each other in every country. Because at the end of the day, the only thing that everybody can agree to trust is a protocol that everyone shares and no one controls. And that's what Lightning represents to the future of money.